Hello and welcome everyone. In today's session, I'm here to discuss a commonly asked question from our customer base. What is the difference between Azure Migrate and Azure Site Recovery, and under what scenarios we should be using one or the other? Now, let's start with Azure Site Recovery. Now, as the name suggests, is the business continuity tool. So if you have on-prem data center, you have Windows, you have Linux server, you want to use Azure as a DR site, you should be using Azure Site Recovery because that's the tool. It will help you and give you all the capability to fail over your complete site, or even if you want to only fail over your mission critical applications, this tool will give you that capability. Now, as compared to that, Azure Migrate, as the name suggests, it allows you to migrate your data center. So, say for example, as a company, you have taken the decision that you'll be moving your infrastructure to the cloud. Azure Migrate is the tool that will help you achieve that. Now, one difference which comes over here is that Azure Migrate is a free service for the first 180 days, whereas Azure Site Recovery is a paid service. But any component that Azure Migrate might be utilizing, such as the bandwidth or storage, to where it will be replicating, this is a cost associated. Whereas Azure Site Recovery, right from the start, depending upon how many nodes that you have, whether it's on a VMware or on a Hyper-V environment, you need to pay for that and the corresponding cost to the storage account where the data will be replicated. That's one difference. Other difference is that Azure Migrate also has the built-in assessment capability. So as a company, if you just want to assess your environment, it will give you a breakdown in form of compute, storage, networking, and how it's going to look on the Azure site. And then you can take intelligent decision based on whatever recommendation has been made by Azure Migrate to move your infrastructure to the cloud. Whereas Azure Site Recovery also let you run the assessment tool, but it has more to do with the DR scenarios. How often you want to replicate, when you should fail over under those circumstances. So again, Azure Migrate in case you're trying to move your workloads from on-prem to the cloud, and Azure Site Recovery in case you want to use Azure as a DR site in case something happens to you on-prem under DR kind of scenarios, such as some sort of accident or there is some sort of catastrophic thing that has happened that you won't be utilize your on-prem environment. Hope this gives you an idea about what are the difference between the two tools. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.